ganyan lang eh. Oh. Walang kahirap-hirap. Ito ang pintuan. Yan. Din dito kami sa View Park Hotel. So, that's the door. Talagang kailangan ganon. Ayan yung keycard. Tapos yung mga lights for the bedroom and for the veranda. May veranda tayo. Dito nang natin nalaman. Hindi yan na detail ni ER. So, to your right is the CR. Yan. Meron akong kasama dito. Oh. Mag-say hi to the vlog ka na ulit. Take 2 na yan. Hey guys! Yan ang may gustong umpisahan ko daw ang aking greeting ng hey guys. Kasi hello everyone ako. So yan ang bathtub. And then towel. Oh. Mini rain shower. Parang handheld din siya. Shower fixture. For the disabled, meron siyang handrail and the soap container or the soap, anong tawag mo dyan? Soap container. Tapos ito yung sink. Wow, ang ganda naman ng sink. And then meron kaming libreng toothbrush, 2. And then, 2 free soap at saka, ano to, shampoo. View Park. Bilang hindi na naman ako nakasalamin. At na-stress na lang ako dito. Yan. Shampoo. You're given 2 shampoo. And, hello vlog, I'm here. Yan. Sus Mario, parang ang tagal na hindi nag-room tour. Oh. Lagyanan ng towel, and then your blower, meron kang 2 socket dyan, and then your toilet bowl with bidet, and your toilet paper dispenser, and trash bin under. So, meron isa dito. And your huge mirror. Yan. Tapos yan, artwork. And then yan yung cabinet. 2 cabinet. Pero walang drawer. So, ayan na, mga kagamitan namin, nakasabit-sabit na. And the safety deposit box. Yan pala, may mga may libreng hanger. Iuwi daw yan, joke. Tapos dito, another cabinet. And, merong ref na walang laman. Lalagyan ni Grace yan ng laman. Bukas na ba ito? Parang ang init. Parang may yelo lang. Joke tayo ni Sir. Yung nag-assist sa amin pag-akyat dito ay si Sir ER. So, yan ang aming, this is our luggage rack. And yung mga sapatos. And my bag. And my laptop bag. Tapos, nandito kami ngayon sa View Park Hotel attending a National, ano ba to? National Privacy Commission na seminar on health and hotel. Tapos Smart TV yan, with Netflix, YouTube. Papanoodin ko yung sarili ko mamaya. Joke. Another mirror. Hello. And then, free coffee at tubig. Tea, meron din Lipton. And your kettle, your coffee, cups and saucer with, yan, teaspoons. And the glass, 2 free water. Meron silang channel guide. Di tayo pwede mag-room in dito. Ano yan? Meron ditong table sa ilalim. Pag gusto mo kumain, dyan. Ay, hindi pala. Ano ito? Pangkape? Kapihan. Ang ganda ng chair. Very Victorian. Oh, it's a side table. Side table with tissue, with Bible, and with Grace. Oh. Diyan siya nag-volunteer. Sabi ko, dyan ako matutulog kasi baka malaglag ako sa kama. Mataas masyado dito. Mataas ang huhulugan ko. So anyway, nung birthday ko, niregaluhan ako ng mga staff ko nitong gimbal. Sinusubukan ko ngayon, 5 times na akong nagtitake. Pero, nahilo lang ako. Kailangan pa siyang aralin. Saan? Hindi nga eh. Ito na yung ating curtains. Mukhang blackout curtain siya. May veranda, maganda. Ba't dito ako nanggaling? Siyempre, merong ilaw yan. Wait lang. Teka muna, babalik tayo sa unahan. Baka nahihilo na lang yung aking subscriber. Wait lang. No, it's here, Rosie. Veranda. Ay.
No, ito daw.
Aba, nakalagay dito, veranda eh. Ano dyan?
I'm so sorry.
Walang ilaw. Ah,
Sorry.
maganda. Wala mainit. Lang yan, kaya hindi mo sinara eh. Hindi pwede tayong pasukin dito. Ah, yan. Aircon. Oh, yun. Yan lang oh. That's our view. Sorry for the aircon noise. Kasara na natin. So, bukas lang siya. I'm sure nabubuksan yan. Hindi lang alam ni Greg.
I'm sorry.
I'm sure. Nasasara yan. Pwede ba namang hindi masaran? O, kalahati ng vlog nito, isang pagsasara ni Grace ng veranda.
Oh, wagi. It's already long.
It's our first day.
The curtain is now over.
Yeah. Okay lang. Dito na kami sa View Park Hotel. Nag-attend kami ng seminar ng National Privacy Commission. So, buong araw na kaming nag-aaral. So, ngayon lang kami nakarating at naka-check-in. Pagod na kami. And wala kasing elevator ito. Saan? Oo, talaga ba? Oo nga, no? So, yun. Happy naman kami. Sana everyday is an NPC day. Diba?
Brain drain.
Oo, nakakapagod. Oo, totoo lang. So, kanina pa kami nandun. Sarap yung mga food. Pero hindi kami dito nag-seminar. So, shinatel lang kami dito. Ang seminar ay sa may Hotel Dominic. Tapos, dinadala kami dito. Kasi overflow na ang mga beauty namin. Hindi kami nakaregister na maaga. So, bilang na late kami, yan, dito kami sa View Park Hotel. Parang gusto ko naman dito. Diba? Kasi parang ang dami na nila doon. Yun na ang kagandahan doon is hindi sila pagod. Pagkatapos, pwede silang pumunta sa mga rooms nila. Pero happy naman ako sa room ko. I like the white room. And free wifi, no password. Free wifi, no password, access to all. Walang data privacy dito. So yun, happy. So we'll be here from today onwards. Malaman natin kung kailan ang uwi. Bukas, bukas uuwi na. Uuwi na si Miss Grace kasi gaalaga pa siya ni Baby Dragon. Diba? So yan. Hope you will join us. Ano bang word? Sana hanggang matapos ang vlog ay kasama namin kayo. Sa aking mga subscribers na wala nang ginawa kundi oo nga. Hanggang bukas pa kami dito. Excited na ako umuwi para maglinis ng bahay. Because of the flooding. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Hindi ko na nakita yung mga kinain natin. Pero masarap yung food, no?
Yes.
Masarap yung food.
Ay, gusto ko yung fish fillet.
Masarap yung kanina.
Yung
Tanghali. Sarap na siya. Masarap din yung beef eh.
yung kanina nila.
Oo, yung dinner parang by 80% lang siya masarap. 100% yung lunch. Pero masarap yung soup. Beef, gusto, masarap kanina talaga nung lunch. Kaninang lunch.
Haba-haba yung ginugol natin.
Oo, ang tagal. So anyway, ang snack namin kanina ay parang crab sandwich.
Ay, hindi ako
Hindi ko rin nakain kasi nag-breakfast kami dito eh. So, pagdating namin sa Tagaytay, dito kami dumiretso, hindi dun sa venue, which is Hotel Dominic. Dito kami naka-check-in sa View Park Hotel, which is in Tagaytay. Yung Hotel Dominic sa Aguinaldo Highway. So, sina-shuttle kami from there to here and from here to there. So, kanina we had breakfast. Nag-order lang ako ng usual set. Breakfast nila is tapa, yung sa akin tapa with atsara and scrambled egg with garlic rice with ano na siya, fruit and coffee. Di ba na picturean? Si Grace being sexy mommy at breastfeed siya ngayon ay parang information overload yun. DPA violation ako.
So, the BPOs.
Oo. So, ang in-order niya ay bangus. Milk fish. Tapos bukas, yung lunch, ang lunch naman namin ay vegetables na masarap. Parang ginisa lang siya, pero masarap. And then, meron din siyang beef, masarap din yung beef, and fish fillet. As we had soup, and then, parang fresh fruits lang for dessert. And ngayong dinner, baked bangus, and then, caldereta, which is my favorite, masarap siya. But, di ko masyadong favorite yung bangus. Pero okay na rin siya, hindi siya lasang lumot. Oo. Ano pa isang kinain natin? Oh, yung parang okoy, vegetable okoy. And then nido soup. Nido soup yun, no?
Yes.
Nido soup. And then for dessert, we have buko pandan. So bukas, meron kami actually complimentary breakfast dito. Ang breakfast dito, parang mga set meal is 235 per plate lang. Meron ka ng coffee, fruit, garlic rice, egg, at saka choice of whether sunny side up or scrambled, garlic rice or steamed rice, coffee or tea. Yan, 235. So bukas meron kaming complimentary. Pwede namin daw i-take out tomorrow. Kasi may food din kami sa Hotel Dominic and it's buffet. So, anong oras tayo pupunta doon? 6.
Oh my God, so early.
6.
So early, so lapit naman.
6 ba tayo pupunta? Kasi may kakain kami doon ng 7, buffet breakfast, and 8 start na. Pero parang mga half day. Pero alam ko yan, mamamove yan. Kasi ang dami nilang tanong, question and answer. Saka meron pang awarding of certificates. Certificates ba natin yun? I-award nila? Baka hindi pa daw. Siya talagang nakakaalam. Palagay ko taga-NPC to si Grace. Oo, so yun. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Good night! Magsashower pa. This is a repeat room tour kasi mali-mali yung mga sinasabi ko. Oh, yeah, you know. So, yan. Let's see the room from here. Dami na namin kalat. Nakakailang minuto pa lang tayo dito. Diba? Di pa kami nagliligo. Too much information ulit. Parang napagod na kami sa kaka-attend ng seminar. So, magpapahinga muna kami. Downtime. So, anyway, mali pala yung sinabi ko. Sinabi ko kasi is seminar ng ano yun? Ng National Privacy Commission on Health and Hotel. Hindi po hotel. Health and Hospital. So, tama ba naman nandito tayo sa CR? Yan. Wala lang. Nag-i-enjoy lang. Ba yan? Gulo-gulo lang. Anyway, kailangan ako magsalamin para to make sure na tama itong nakukuhanan ko. Ano pa ba? Yun yung mali ko. Oo, it's a National Privacy Commission, Data Privacy seminar for Health and Hotel. Kasi nga, kaya kami nandito dahil sa health sector kami. Anyway, so this is the gimbal that I am talking about. Na hirap akong gamitin. Yan, oh. See? To-turn siya. Yan. Thank you sa aking mga team, SSMA team and QA team for this gimbal. I'm sure hindi kayo nagsikain for how many days para mabili ito. Thank you sa inyo lahat. Yay! So ngayon pa lang siya gagamitin. Kasi nga, hindi ako maka-adjust. Parang nahirapan ako. Hindi ako sanay eh. So anyway, yan. Si Grace kausap si Wendell dun eh. Kaya dito na lang ako sa CR. So yan. Yun lang. Yun lang gusto ko i-correct. Kasi mali nga yung pagkakasabi ko. Ang nasabi ko ay health and hotel, health and hospital. So dito, walang elevator. So everything is going up and down the stairs. Kaya medyo nakakapagod. But exercise, sige na nga. Sabihin na natin na exercise kahit hindi. Napagod talaga. So anyway, yan. The downtime na kami ulit. See you tomorrow. So the next day, we ate our breakfast at Hotel Dominique. It was a breakfast buffet. We were served the usual tawilis, eggs, rice, and coffee. Di ako masyado nasarapan. And then we started with the seminar at exactly 8 a.m. No snacks were served, no lunch then. They overextended to 1:30. So we were very hungry. So we decided to eat our lunch at La Creperie in Twin Lakes overlooking Taal Volcano. We ordered tapa, which I will be eating later tonight as takeout. And then we ordered French onion pork steak and the confit du pork. So for dessert, we ordered salted butter caramel crepe cake and mango hazelnut au chocolat, which we shared na lang. I am back at the room here in View Park, Tagaytay. See, this is the view of my room from this end here to here. I requested for them to turn down. Yeah. Of course, working now. Working for life. So for dinner, I ate what I took out from La Creperie, the tapsilog. So, okay lang siya. Hindi siya super sarap. Tama lang.
The next day.
So, I ate my breakfast at Siglo. That's the restaurant of View Park Hotel. Wherein the breakfast that I chose was corned beef. And then I had to meet si Erica and Isabella for lunch here at Binulo. So, lahat ng food na nakikita nyo ngayon is actually food that we ordered at Binulo. It's all for sharing. Ganda yung place. Malamig, masarap yung food. And then, we had our dessert at La Creperie again. So, I'm now with the Escalonas. We decided to eat our dessert here. So, nag-order sila ng mga crepe cake. I ordered ice cream. Pareho kami dalawa ni JP. We ordered ice cream. Di kami nag-share. Tig-isa kami. Happy kaming dalawa. Ayan. Starter pa lang niya yan. Iced tea. So, everybody ordered crepe na for sharing. It ended up for sharing, pero actually choice ng bawat isa kung anong crepe ang gusto niyang i-order. So we had to wait here until our check-in time at Quest Hotel, where the Escalonas will be staying here in Tagaytay. So after this, we want to explore it's a perfume shop that we passed by. Si Erica wants to look into the perfumes that are there. So, yan. We just had our snack here at La Creperie. Happy-happy naman sila. So this is the lobby of Quest Hotel. The restaurant in the lobby is the Baker's J, which is one of my favorite restaurant. This hotel reminds me of Crimson, which they said is parang pareho owner. So whoever owns Baker's J is the owner of the hotel. Waiting for the elevator. We're here at Quest Hotel in Tagaytay with Escalona and Isabella.
And we are back.
Hotel views.
Oh, may crackers. Nasaan yung crackers? Oh, may
Yes,
iwan
we
sa
were here in the
sasakyan.
elevator. Yeah. Pati yung chocolate ko from Santis. So we're going to our room. Ha? What's your room number? 7? Oh, okay. What's it? Did you check? We are 312.
1-2 bar or 1-7?
Kamali lang ng side. Yeah. Let's open the lights. Aray ko.
Wait lang,
Yung
kaya ko
baho
to.
yun.
Sorry.
Ako naman na.
That was my feet. Okay, room tour agad. CR. Oh, this is what I miss actually. The mirror. The floor length mirror. And then this is the banyo. See, there's glass separating the toilet from the shower. Oh, handheld, and there's rain shower. No bathtub, but that's fine. Very new yung CR. That's your sink with their tissue dispenser. So, and your hair blower and your mirror for your makeup. The toilet bowl is here at the back. So medyo tight lang. It has its own bidet and toilet paper, and then you have your trash bin down there. So yeah. Hello vlog! We're here again. Checking into Quest Hotel naman. Naman. It's twin bed. Oh, twin bed with a side table that's in the middle. Side na nasa middle. Night lamp with your switch, your phone, your remote for TV, and then you also have your sockets. You have your US socket and USB ports. There's a connecting room. Pwede pala to for family, no? Oh, ayan lang. Table, chair, another mirror there. That's a work table. TV's here. That's the entryway. Oh. Parang ganito yung setup dun sa tinira namin sa Subic. When you open the door, it's open cabinetry space for your stuff. And then, yan. Ito na. I just put my bag. There's just a luggage rack there. Your shoes under. There's free slippers. What the heck is this? That's your safe. Is this a drawer? It's not.
Oo nga.
It's not.
Even
It's not also. So that's your ref under. Under Shanna's feet. Nothing's inside. Wala. It's like yung sa Crimson. Siguro yung Crimson sa kanila din. Kasi same owner daw ng Baker's J and the hotel. Crimson kasi has Baker's J as its restaurant. So here you have your coffee mugs. Oh. Sterile. And then you have your creamer, sugar. Ooh. Yan. Yan na yun. Meron kang creamer tsaka sugar, wala ka lang kape. Ay, sterile. Bakit ganun walang kape, Jen?
Bakit wala?
Baka you have to ask. It's all creamer. Ah, there's coffee here. Dalawang piraso ano. 2 creamer. Ah, there's 2 coffee, 2 creamer, 2 white sugar, and 2 brown sugar. Kettle, coffee mugs, glass, and a pitcher. So, yun na yun. That's the door. That's the emergency exit plan. Open cabinetry space with your hangers, your luggage rack. Number na luggage rack. Sa ilalim, you have your space for your shoes. That's the free slippers. And yan na yung ref. And then, this is your card key and your light switches. And then, ito na. It's the same space arrangement as the Subic Hotel where we stayed before. The towels are under. Medyo tight lang yung CR. I like this. This is what I miss. The full length mirror. Hello, vlog! Yan. Oh, they opened na. They have a veranda. Please lang. Oh, you're overlooking Fora Mall. And it's cold. Oh, you are also overlooking the amenities. See. Amazing. That's the pool. Actually, may dala ako. Sure. Dito lang kaya ako. Mag-book. Yeah. Sino nga ba siya? Andito yan sa vlog, oh. Andito sa vlog. Ayan si anak ko. Very beautiful model. Can you please open the light? Ha? Oo naman. You can always edit it out. Ha? Yan nga. Medyo madilim kayo dito. Dina, doon na tayo. Dito lang tayo mag-breakfast.
Breakfast. Hold this.
Hello everyone, we're here at Quest Hotel in Tagaytay with the Escalonas, of course. We're checked in only for 1 day, overnight lang. So tomorrow check out na. Gusto ko lang pong ibalita na merong nagkakagulong nagaganap dito sa harapan ko. Kanina maayos yan, puno. Ngayon walay na. Oh, ang isang pisngi at kalahati. No more. So paano pala to kinakain? Ganyan lang.
Which one are you eating, Ata? The chocolate.
Oh, that's a sausage.
Ayan.
And the cheese. Ano yun? Yeah, chocolate.
Go, Tita. Enter.
Hala, binuksan mo na yung tsokolate ko? Ha?
Oh.
This is the chocolate that I bought
Deliver natin sa Tegri.
from Kansas. It's called the Ragusa Classic with hazelnut.
Sarap ng hazelnut.
So, ito na
Pwede
siya.
bang ano? Ganyan, tapos bubuhusan na ng honey.
Anak, ba't hindi ko mabuksan? Ay, bakit hindi ko matanggal yung tsokolate?
Latag mo dito sa gilid.
Yeah, it should be like
One-fourth. One-fourth.
Oh, this is the chocolate. That's hazelnut.
Sarap yun, Tita. The chorizo is good.
Yan, ang sarap pala nga.
Ayaw nito. This one I love. Chorizo is the best. It's the best.
Daan na sauce.
In 5 minutes, mauubos na to.
Watch and learn.
Hindi ka nag-focus ako. Hindi ka zoom out. Unfocus.
Ang sabi ng chorizo?
Diba? Too good.
The chorizo is good.
Kaya mahal ko na sinigay.
Masyadong mabait.
This is chorizo.
Anong chorizo na tita?
Wala, sabi ko yung chorizo. Tapos kinuha
Tapos
na.
lagyan natin ng sausage.
Ang dami eh.
This feels wrong.
Tapos lagyan natin ng cheese. So, gumagaya lang po tayo sa mga iba na gumagamit ng kamay sa pagkain.
Nagkutpiki.
Yan, hindi na natin makain sa sobrang dami ng naipatong ko. Nahuhulog na siya. This is the tutorial.
Saan naman, Chego?
Of course, that's my favorite. And it's fresh manchego, see? Ito yun, ano, manchego to, no?
Gruyere is also good.
Where's the gruyere?
I don't know na nga eh kung ano eh.
Ay, ito pala yung manchego. Ay, hindi, gruyere yun. Ito ang manchego. Sarap talaga ang manchego.
Gruyere.
Dito, ito yung manchego. Nag-sausage and chorizo. On top of a biscuit. Di na po kami di-dinner. Tara.
This is our
Can we
mukbang.
destroy this?
And this is our budol pa.
Tignan mo naman yung ginagaya mo, tita. Tignan.
Fresh.
Ano yung 6 na ba? Hindi pa naman 6 eh.
Kasi naman eh.
Yan ang mga umaatake. Mga kalaban.
How much for this?
2,000.
Coatering.
They made it na for us. So this sauce. So ano yung masasarap na sauce? Okay.
2,000 lang ka?
From the cold cuts to ano.
2,000?
Yeah.
For the whole board?
Ayan.
Kamantarang pag tayo bumibili, maabot pa tayo ng ilang...
Hindi kasi 100 grams po.
Yeah, but it's not the right way. No, it's not the right combination.
This is good.
You just ask them to do it pala.
No, we asked for this.
Hindi kasi tayo 100 grams, 100 grams. Nakakatatlong cheese platter pa na.
Yun na nga.
This, Mama. I don't like the crackers.
This is really good combination. And I like
Not my
the
meat.
I like the chorizo that they gave us. It's the dry type of chorizo.
I don't like the idea there.
This is brie, no?
That type of chorizo.
Sorry, wala po kaming utensil. Nandito kami sa hotel. So kamay-kamay lang.
So Westin meron ano.
Total, wala pa namang nag-e-eltor sa amin tatlo.
Mommy, I need for my meat.
At sa mga escalona.
Swim now?
So ito na, after ilang minutes yan? After 10 to 20 minutes, ganyan na po ang itsura. Ito ang ginawa ko.
Ano yung sandwich?
That's walnut, chorizo, sausage, brie, and apricot.
Mga carnivore tayo.
Siyempre ito pa, oh. Lalagyan natin sa taas. Pambalanse. Baka malaglag.
Sarap yung brie.
Add cheese.
That's the ultimate cheese.
Add honey.
Diba? Ultimate cheese.
And aren't you supposed to
Challenge.
microwave, Brie?
It's...
Going down now to Baker's Day. Going down.
Yung isang okay. Ayaw nila pera, hindi sila kumakain na.
Hindi, siya nang bagyat kanina.
Ah, gusto niya?
Nasa 117.
Going down.
Ganda oh. Yan ang available na food. They're only open until what time? 9 o'clock? Oh, Baker's J is one of my favorite cafe. So, may ensaymada. What is this? There's something inside. Croissant. And this is...
What do you HSBC? Flashback.
Diyos ko, nakakagutom. Lalo na yung ensaymada. Magdala kaya tayo bukas bago tayo
Pag naka-check.
going out. I left my stuff, ha?
Oh, sige.
So, yan. This is outside. Baker's J. Veranda. Oh, this is the pool. Walang light. Is it closed already? Oh, parang ang sarap pag-swimming. But is it cold? Yeah, because hot nga eh. Oh, this is the pool. How nice. Then you're overlooking the mall. But wala pa masyadong bukas. Black Scoop pa lang yata. A few of the stores are open. There's Black Scoop. There. And then they said Mac is open. Very few shops are open. Fora Mall is near here, I guess. Not sure if this is connected to Fora. Yan. That's Quest Hotel. Ganda. Nice the lights, huh? Ha?
Very nice concept.
Ano?
Very nice concept.
Yeah.
Hotel.
So we're here at Baker's J waiting for our orders. That's the lobby of the hotel, and this is where we're eating.
Ano
This is
yung
my
feeling mo the iPhone 15?
Ha?
iPhone 15.
iPhone 15.
Ang sa performance.
Okay naman. Malinaw.
Pero yung speed niya, no? Wala namang issue.
Very malinaw. So this is my order. It's Americano hot in a pink cup and saucer. I like the cup and saucer. And then I'm gonna eat my leftover lumpiang ubo. This was my order kanina. Saan ba tayo naman yung lunch? Binulo.
Dinulo.
Mahal sa Binulo pero masarap. Good ambience. Very cool. Nice CR.
Yung portion is good, I would say.
Yeah, portion is good. The food's good as well. Masarap.
I would say for sharing talaga. So even if the price is a bit on the high side, pero dahil for sharing, okay na rin.
Oh, at saka hindi lang yun.
Okay na isang rice. Ang dami ng rice na.
Oo nga, ba't ang dami? Ba't dalawa?
Say ko, grabe itong rice natin.
Actually, the food is really, when you say it's kare-kare, yung flavor is really kare-kare.
Oh yeah. And it's for sharing.
Oo nga.
It can fit. I think it's good for 5.
Big servings, yan. Basta, wherever we're eating, malamig, maganda service, walang langaw. You're seated right away. Meron lang casualty pagdating natin, but at least hindi siya lumilipad.
May take home. So,
Ang dami natin take home actually. I think we over-ordered. Kasi lumalabas, everybody ordered what they like. We didn't order for share, like, just order one. Parang for sharing.
hindi kailangan yung bulaklak. Chicharong bulaklak.
Naubos din eh.
Hindi nilagay namin sa kare-kare.
Parang ginawa niyong sisig.
So, what can you say about the spa?
It's so good.
How much is the spa?
850.
Per hour?
Yeah.
And what kind of spa did you, what kind of massage did you receive?
Swedish.
How about you?
Shiatsu.
Shiatsu. And how are you feeling now? Hungry?
Sarap. I want to sleep.
You want to sleep or you want to eat?
I want to sleep. I want to eat.
Oh, you want to do both? Maisha, what's your problem? You're sleepy? You want to eat something? You want to order something? Oh, this is croque monsieur. It's a huge order. I'll have to share this one kasi busog na ako. I just wanted to taste it. So yan, that's your croque monsieur. This is actually my order. Shelo ordered humba. They have very good serving. This is for sharing actually.
That person.
So see, this is mine. Laki. Pag-uwi na naman tayo sa take-out. Sarap yung food. Sarap yung food, no? It's really good. Masarap. It's a sandwich, pero...
Di ba sabi ni Maisha kanina? I beg you, Azuri,
Masarap yung food.
reply to me.
Kunting salad siya.
Ano ba yung sabi
Ano
niya?
yun na? Pagkasabi ko.
You have a message, you have a message.
Kunting-kunti lang. Sardo.
It's really good. Did they give you a piece of this one? It's really good.
Ganda eh. I think mga pag-bread.
Sarap. The bread and the...
Ayoko na. Dalawang subo pa lang para.
Hindi, busog na na.
Kahit tayo na pa.
Yung black spook, pero okay.
Ano yung parang
Pero nung
Ano
bumaba
sa
ka,
akin?
Sarap.
sarap ka naman. Di na siguro yung luluwa na. Ang sarap ng ano.
Iba mo yung Shiatsu eh.
Shiatsu ba yung sinabi mo? Eh, di ba pumutak ko
Hindi masakit sa katawan.
Binabatak mo yung...
Hindi masakit sa
Hindi
katawan.
masakit. Baka mabali yung hindi naman.
Hindi ka naman nagaganonin na.
Baka bukas masakit yung katawan mo. No?
Sakto lang na kinakain.
Hindi ako makalakad.
Yeah, ganun yun.
Ano ba yung pinakamayo? Swedish lang, diba?
Swedish, yung katulad sa Lumiere, yung
Anong Lumiere? Saan yung Lumiere?
yung ginawa namin dati.
Ginawa namin dati.
Ito, nag-ano ka rin?
Ganun.
Na nag-alburo ko siya dyan.
Tatsurin.
Ano yung ginawa nila doon? Parang ganyan din. Pero ito yung sa Lumiere.
Saan ba yung Lumiere?
Then yung
Doon sa BGC.
When you all went for massage. With si Tita Tina.
ay, hindi ko na kukukuha. Kasi mo na lang ito sa Facebook. Pwede.
Ano naman? Dito siya.
Kahit Maisha. Mas great agad si John Paul.
Bakit?
Kasi wala siya ginawa.
Pwede na kay JP.
Bakit?
Ba't daw siya sumama?
Kasi iniwan namin siya. Ay, sarap ng food. It's really good. The food is really good. Can I try your humba?
Mom, wash me.
No, just a small piece lang.
2 a.m. Ba't 9 p.m. lang?
Ano?
Sarap.
Ako lang pa ako sa bata.
Ang weird dito, no? Yung dahon na.
Yun yung ginaganon-ganon. Gusto ko yung ginaganon-ganon.
Eh, gusto ko yung kakain. Hindi yung nag-game, diba?
Anong lasa? Ano to? Anong luto to? Asado?
Pinapalaw niya yung paa ko. Pero sarap.
Kasi taste like...
Gaganunin yung dito, gaganunin yung Sprite. Kinukurot nga nilang
Oo.
ganun. Oo, tapos parang ang
Hindi ko matanggal siya.
Ako din, ganun. Gumaganon na.
Extra challenge, baka mabitawan ko yung bowl. Ah.
Tapos yung dito. Yung maganda yung dito. Kasi
Wow.
yung ganun.
Asim-asim. Parang paksiw na pata.
Dito lang.
Diba?
Isa-isa kami ng order. This naman is Filipino. Sarap kaya yan. A closer look at Isabella's order. Erica ordered pepito. This is croissant that has what inside?
Dark chocolate.
Oh.
And another
Thank you, Ate Ben.
So we're done eating. It's around 8:28. So we're just billing out, and we already
Sabay na sa bill.
asked them to
Bill out.
take out some of the stuff that we weren't able to finish. Then we're going back to our hotel. Sinashelos, we still have to undergo massage. As we're going back to the hotel na. To sleep lang, no? To sleep and we watch Korean drama.
Bida-bida ako, pipicture din.
Ang ganda, diba? It's so nice. This is going to our room. Oh, meron pa parang coffee house doon. No, I didn't. Wasn't able to check the other parts of the... Just going to... Umaabot talaga dito ang blanket. Going up to our room now. So yan. That's a board. Pero, can you steal? So may coffee place doon, Dero. Dero, there's a coffee place. It's here with me, Anna. Can you please hold? Hey. Please hold. So I can get the...
The next day.
So we ordered tapa. This is Erica's plate with coffee. And then Isabella ordered additional sausage and ham for her continental breakfast. Yan, additional. And then I ordered longanisa naman. It's a set meal.
A few moments later.
We came out from there. This is the view deck. Siguro function room to. Yan. Pag may party. Yan. We have the view of Sky Ranch. Init. Hindi yan. Malamig lang yung simoy ng hangin. Pero and my daughter.
That's not Sky Ranch.
Yun lang naman ang may ganyan eh. Oh yan, daming ginagawa. Oh, this is another events place. May event pala dito. Mainit na actually, oh. Yeah, I informed them, ha? So we've checked out from our hotel room. We're on the way to Hacienda Mall, but we will be passing Escalona's hotel to meet them first, and then convoy na kami sa Hacienda. We hope to eat at Cafe Agapita or some other place in Silang. So we're waiting for our orders here at CBTL. We ordered for pesto, and then we also ordered for corned beef pandesal, tuna pandesal, all sorts of pasta. They ran out of it and only serve the pesto pasta. We also ordered for chicken sandwich, and they are serving pizza at CBTL Hacienda. So we ordered for pepperoni.
I go to always video it, not Tita, oh, chipotle chicken. I'm just cutting it.
What's that, Ate Ata?
Chipotle.
Chipotle ba talaga?
I don't know. Just said.
How is the pepperoni? Is it good?
A few moments later.
We're here at Shangri-La, Makati. So where are we going to go? Lift to hotel lobby. Pero, no, I don't think so. Going to the hotel lobby. Second floor. Yeah. It is going down. It's cool. This is what I like. Kanina pa ako napapagod because it's hot. What is this? Ah, that's where we came from.